The day to all of you. Law Scholar Independent Society presents the Member Come Internship Program. Out of 580 candidates, top 50 have been shortlisted, and today we have gathered for the interview. In the first day, only 25 candidates will take part in the interview, and other will get the chance tomorrow. We welcome and are very much grateful to our panelists, senior members, and guests for joining us. Okay. Before we start, I request to all the participants to kindly unmute themselves, kindly mute themselves, except those who are asked to speak. Thank you. I request the panelists to start the interview with the first participant.
Type yourself in 1 minute.
Okay.
And name and details should be as same as in the form step 1. 1 मिनट में खुद का वर्णन कीजिए. नाम और विवरण फार्म चरण 1 के समान.
Okay. So this is Dhruvi Patni. Currently, right now I'm studying into my 5th year of BLLB honors from Faculty of Law, Maharaja Sayajirao University. And I'm right into my last semester. So I'm going to finish it up by today itself. I'm having my last exam right now. And also, sir, I'm a student who considers more self into practical trainings rather than going into theories and everything. I love to research. I love to have some conversations with the interesting persons, and also I am able to communicate and coordinate with others members who are going to be with us. And moreover, what can I say, that I am right now at my peak of the career. So it would be a great learning as well as a great experience for me by becoming a member or by joining an internship under your program.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I request the next member, please, Anuradha ma'am. You can ask the question.
Okay. Hello, Dhruvi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
My question is, do you know about its society?
Ma'am, there's a lot of sorry ma'am to disturb you, but there's a lot of interrupt in your communication.
Okay. Again, I repeat my question.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
know about any society?
Yes, ma'am. I have worked with a socio-legal group as well as I have worked in many kinds of NGOs which do support many kinds of societies. For example, the LGBTQ society, as well as for the poor children society, as well as the law-related societies, such as there was a one society which can be named as that was an authority, and I have worked with them. That is like District Legal Service Authority, which has been accompanied by NALSA. So I have worked with them since last 5 years.
Dhruvi, yeah. How do you know about leases?
Leases, I have, there was an official mail from ISS. There was an official mail to me, and there's one website known as Iris Jura. That website has put the message into WhatsApp group.
Saurabh sir, please, your questions. Thank you.
Give me some reasons that why we should choose you, and if you got selected, then what are the things you can do for the benefit of the society?
Sir, for me, it's like that I can communicate very well. That the only thing which I said the first. I'm very much confident in inviting the public. I do have many of the groups and everything. I'll be very honest. I'm least supportive in writing content because I feel a little bit of boring in that thing. But yes, for the communication, coordination, and working with different colleagues in the team would give you a beneficiary that I can make a sure of it. and mostly what can I do is that I like to post it on social medias. So whatever is being told to me, that I can bring an outcome towards it, like for example conducting a webinar. So we just need the marketing things in that thing. So I'm very much expert into those things, and it would be good that if you will select me, because as being a final year law student, I feel that if I'll join you, then I'll be able to learn a lot of things from your side.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Dhruvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
All right. So, being an intern, what are your objectives towards the development of LSIS, this society, as well as for the welfare of the nation?
So for the society, what can I say, that the objective should be that more and more students as well as more and more professionals should be included in our society, so that we can grow up into a larger developed society. And what I can say is,
Just hold on. I think you didn't got my question. I asked your objectives regarding the development of LSIS as well as the welfare of the nation.
that's only I thought that it is the double side, so benefit. Double side, it's a
Okay.
benefit. I'll be very honest that I would learn something very good things from your side, as well as me being a me being a beneficiary to your society would be the main object if I get selected.
Okay. And for the welfare of the nation?
For the welfare of the nation, sir, we can give them something like a good kinds of new things by researching for themselves, as well as we can also serve the society by giving them the knowledge about what they doesn't have.
Okay, that's good. In previous questions, you answered that you have some of the work experiences related to research or social legal group or NGOs.
Yes.
है ना? So can you describe your any of the work experience either into internship or into research or any area in India?
Yes, sir. I think that it was an experience in which I learned a lot of things. My experience first was that how to deal with the people. That's the basic thing what we need. If for example, if today I'm going to start a society, then the resources that from where should I get the people, and that's come basically in the communication itself. So that was my experience, that connecting with the other people as well as developing the context that would create a larger and larger group or a society would be the best experience for myself in the last 5 years.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Dhruvi, one more question in my side.
Yes, ma'am.
3 to 6 months. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. In coming 3 to 6 months,
Yes.
how could you uplift the society?
Ma'am, for right now, for uplifting of the society is the best thing that we should make the people understand. The basic problem of the Indian community is that people are not understanding the basic information what we are trying to give them, and creating their own representations, and they are running away from the good things. So I think that if I work in this society for next 3 to 6 months, I would be able to give them the basic criterias by serving them somewhat of knowledge, and by giving them the practical trainings that how we should treat the problems or how we should overcome the problems, and then only we can serve the society. Because the less interactive, the less the people gets developed, and they used to have a misrepresentations in their own mind itself.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right, Dhruvi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, as you know that LSIS is a social welfare and registered society,
Yes.
which actually
Yes.
formed for the benefit of the social welfare and not for the as just like NGO and NPO. So we are very
Yes.
clear with our objective and aims. So
Yes.
as I declare you that NGO and NPO basically depends upon non-professional or non-profit organization.
Yes. Yes.
If we
Yes.
cannot pay you in the future or in present, then also would you like to
Okay.
be a member of the society or just other case?
Yes. Yes, of course. Why should not? If something good is happening because of me or because of your society, then nothing matters if you do not take me or not. Because if you'll take me, I would be very much happy to work with you. But if you'll not take me, it would be not like anything that I would not approach to you in my future also. It would be a great thing that if you'll take me, I'll learn from you and I would be beneficial to you. And if not right now, then obviously I would come and approach you in future, maybe for some of the society welfare only.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Saurabh sir?
One more question, Dhruvi.
Yes.
If you get a chance to be a member in the society, then would you like to join the society as a member after completing your internship? And one more thing, in what are the areas in which you would like to do the work for the society? Yeah, where are the places where we will place you in the society?
Sir, I'll be honest very much that after doing an internship, I would be a great opportunity for me to join your society. And not now, but in future, if you'll give me the chance, please do not put me into the content writing because I'm very much bad at writing, I'll be honest. But you can trust me to this. You can trust me for the communication skills. You can also trust me for the marketing skills, as well as you can also trust me for handling all kinds of events that your society would lead. I can be a great leader to you for those things, but not in content writing.
But that must also be improved.
Yes, sir. I know it must be improved, but I feel that I'm not suited a normal person for the job or part of being that internship.
Mr. Ankit Sharma?
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Am I audible? Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
you are audible.
My simple question is, describe yourself in 1 minute.
Sir, myself, Ankit Sharma, and I'm from Dehradun, and I'm pursuing my law from Law College, Dehradun, and I'm in my third year. That's it, sir.
Okay. Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
please, one question from my side.
Yes,
Do you know about a society and how you know about LISIS? आप किसी सोसाइटी
Ma'am.
को जानते हो, और अगर जानते हो तो हमारी सोसाइटी के बारे में आपको कैसे पता चला और कितना जानते हो?
Ma'am, I don't know about your society so much, but I had known about it from LinkedIn.
Okay.
So that's why I had applied to your society.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ankit, this is Dr. Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
आप मुझे बताइए कि अगर हम आपको सेलेक्ट करें तो आपको क्यों सेलेक्ट करें? आप में ऐसी क्या क्वालिटीज हैं जिसके लिए हम आपको सोसाइटी के लिए सेलेक्ट करें?
Sir, I am good in research work and also in content writing, and I also interested in writing an article or researching about any topic.
अभी आप लिखते हो आर्टिकल कुछ?
Yes sir, I am लिखता हूँ.
Okay. अंकित शर्मा, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Sir, you are not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes sir, now you are audible.
Okay. So you said you do research work, you write various contents, you write articles. Can you please explain in brief any of your experience related to any of these?
Sir, before it, I had worked in EHRA, All Indian Human Rights Association, as an intern.
Okay.
And
Okay.
सर उधर ही से थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज मिला तो सीखा मैंने.
अच्छा, क्या सीखा वहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा बताओगे?
सर means how to write an article and how to do an research about anything.
Okay, okay. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Ankit, can you hear me? Am I audible to you?
Yes sir.
Okay. Although you know about the LSIS, मैं यही समझता हूँ कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत भी LSIS के बारे में पता है. ओके, जहाँ से भी आपने इसका ऐड देखा है या फिर जहाँ से प्रमोशन देखा है, हम यही सोच के चलते हैं कि आपने एक बार भी वेबसाइट को आके देखा है हमारी LSI.in को. ऑलराइट, ओके. देन आपने सोसाइटी को देखा है. सोसाइटी जो है वो NPO है. NPO मैं क्लियर कर देता हूँ, नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, NGO का एक पार्ट है. ठीक है, इन अ सीरीज ऑफ NGO का टर्म NPO. अब ना ही इसमें हम कुछ लेते हैं आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स और ना ही इसमें कुछ देते हैं आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. ठीक, हम लोग राइटिंग कंटेंट की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, नेम और फेम की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप अच्छा वर्क करेंगे, कोई भी हो, उसको कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा in sense of a positivity, but not in sense of salary. तो तब भी आप सोसाइटी का पार्ट इन फ्यूचर रहना चाहते हैं एज अ मेंबर, अगर आपको पे नहीं करा जाए. क्योंकि मैं कंपैरिजन करना चाह रहा हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए आपने नाम सुने होंगे, बहुत बड़े बड़े नाम हैं और मैं उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ. बहुत अच्छी साइट्स हैं, वो 500, 5000, 10,000 मंथली पे करती हैं. बट LSIS का ऐसा कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है. उल्टा हम लोगों को अपनी जेब से लगाना पड़ता है मेंबरशिप फीस के नाम पे या कुछ और. बट यस, वी आर एट द नेशनल लेवल. क्या आप तब भी सोसाइटी से जुड़ना चाहेंगे?
बिल्कुल सर, अगर सर सीखने मिलेगा तो बिल्कुल जरूर.
Okay, all right, Ankit. Okay, thank you so much.
Mr. Harsh Mishra.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you
Can you
are.
hear me? Harsh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Harsh, describe yourself in 1 minute.
Sir, first of all, greetings to every board member and all my other colleagues, those who are presented in this interview. Myself, Harsh Mishra. I am currently a second year student in the Faculty of Law, University of Lucknow, and I belong from Kushinagar district. And I am mostly interested in the field of research and all these things.
Please tell me your name.
Pardon, ma'am, can you be a little bit louder?
Harsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harsh, give me a brief information on any society.
Ma'am, currently, I was being the member of Legal Aid Society of my college, means of my faculty, which is the top 5 most active legal aid society of and and secondly, ma'am, I have also been granted the membership of distinguished membership of the few of more societies such as International Council of Jurists, and recently I have also been granted the membership of International Council of Commercial Arbitration as a young member.
How do you know about LISES?
Ma'am, actually, I came to know about through one of my friend. His interview is scheduled for tomorrow. So we have a discussion over this society. So he told me about this society.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Harsh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay. Achha, as you have told that you have worked for some of the other societies also,
Yes, sir.
tell me one thing, that what are your areas of interest, and what are the areas in which you can help the society if you got selected for the membership of this society?
Yes, okay, sir. So actually, I belong from a much rural area. So, and my father is also there. So I have seen the grassroots level problem of the people, those who are living in the rural area. And then when I became the part of the legal aid cell of my society. So currently we are running a program for the LGBTQ community with the 12 national law universities in the India. So if I become a member of this reputed organization, I would like to work for the, especially for the women and the LGBTQ community.
Okay. And one more thing, tell me some qualities of your, that's why we get select you for the a member of the society.
So, what, sir? Can you please repeat the question again?
Sure. Okay. That's must be part of the question I asked earlier. It's okay. It's okay, Harsh Mishra. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right, Harsh Mishra, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. You told you are attached with many of the societies. Can you please explain in brief any of your
Yes,
work
sir.
experience?
The major work experience I have is with the legal aid cell of my college itself, because in the previous year, means in the past session, we are working close attachment with the 12 national law universities for the promotion of the LGBTQ right that has been arises after the Northeast Singh Johar judgment. So we have also been participated in the Pride March that has been organized in the Lucknow itself also. So currently I have a vast experience regarding those community about whom the people doesn't want to talk easily. So if I would get a chance to work with this society, I would also like to work for the LGBT community.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
I hope I am audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With a similar question to everyone, as you know about the LSIS, we are NPO. I hope you must be knowing about the NPO. See, if you as an intern or as a member in the future, if we don't pay you, then also would you like to be part of society?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Of course. Yes, sir. Of course, I would like to be the part of society because currently I'm in a second year. So the money is not a big deal or a subject matter of concern for me. For the time being, I want to learn the things. So if it would be a great opportunity for me to learn the different thing and to learn the much more things from all of you. So for in future, I would also like to be the part of this society.
All right. Thank you, Harsh. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Pranshukta.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Pooja.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Could you describe yourself in one?
Okay, so good afternoon to one and all present here. Second year law student of BA LLB from MS Ramaya College of Law, Bangalore. I've been born and brought up in Kolkata, West Bengal. And the reason why I'm doing law is because law is a field which is highly respectful and it promises everyone with great opportunities. That's it, sir.
Hi, Purvi. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a brief information on any society.
Okay, so currently, ma'am, I'm working in a society which is known as Association of Indian Student. And ma'am, I'm working in opportunity wing and social media team. There we are actually providing opportunities to the law student regarding different internship programs, all the moot competitions, all the debate competitions which are coming up, and we are also we also brief them about the current affairs.
Purvi, one more questions to you. 3 to
Yes,
6
ma'am.
months. In this period, how could you uplift our society?
So, ma'am, coming to your question, ma'am, I have a good communication skills, and I'm good in legal research, and I can even manage time well. So, if I be a part of the society, ma'am, I am sure that I'll be able to contribute in a lot of ways, as I have a good command over communication, and I can write content. I can do social media marketing, and I also like I can also operate MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, and I can also write blogs.
Okay, good, Purvi. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Hello, Purvi. I am audible to you, Purvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My question to you is as we all are aware that there are lots and more of society which are running these times, then what are the things that make a society more significant over the other in current scenarios, and what are the works and the society should perform that it is significantly different from the other societies?
So, coming to your question, sir, what I feel is provide opportunities to people, sir, because everything is running online and it's very difficult for students to fetch internships, to learn, to get different courses, and and because of money, because there are many people who have lost their jobs, so then they're not able to provide education to their children. So we can organize events where they can get knowledge. We can give them opportunity where they can learn.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
All right, Prerna, till the Qasim sir is not here, then please pass the question to the next member. Radha ma'am, would you like to ask?
Purvi,
I'm doing.
do you know about our society, about LISIS?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Do you know about our society, LISIS?
Ma'am, previously I was not aware about the society, but through WhatsApp, I'm added in different law groups. So through there, I got to know about the society. Then I did a small research about the society, and then through the website, I applied to the society, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any work experience related to any internship or research writing or anything?
Yes, sir. So, being a second year law student, sir, I don't have that much experience, but I worked in an NGO known as Ektara NGO, where, sir, I was given the responsibility for legal research, content writing, and creating legal awareness campaign. And then, sir, during the lockdown last year, I've also worked for a foundation known as Youth Empowerment Foundation, sir, where we used to raise funds and then just give it to people who are there in the need. And currently, sir, I'm a part of an association known as Association of Indian Students.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Purvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, with the same question, if we don't pay you in future, but yes, we can provide you the opportunity which we can. All right? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay, the motive is not to pay anyone, just pay and then relieve, but the motive is to make a bond which can be sustainable bond. All right, so if we cannot pay you, or if we don't pay you in the future, then also would you like to be the part of the society? You can answer frankly.
Definitely, sir. I would love to be a part of the society because, sir, at the end of the day, what matters is experience and the skills we have, sir. After 5 years, I'm sure that we all will be there in different companies, and then we can learn. And after 5 years, sir, we won't be able to learn things which we can learn right now. So, of course, sir, I would love working even if it's an unpaid internship.
Okay, if we talk about not the internship, but after the internship, if you would like to be the member.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Definitely, sir.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Purvi. Our next contestant is Miss Muskan Verma.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Muskan. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Muskan, describe yourself.
Hello.
Muskan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Muskan, describe yourself, but in only 1 minute.
Okay, myself Muskan Verma, and I'm from Assam, Dibrugarh, and second year student pursuing LLB. And I love to write articles, poems, and I'm also eager to learn to be a blogger, and I also write articles, and that's it, sir.
Hello, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
In coming 3 to 6 months, how could you able to uplift the society?
मैम एक्चुअली मैं एक एक्सपीरियंस लेकर आई हूँ, एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहती हूँ, और बहुत सारे एम्स हैं मेरे ताकि मैं सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर सकूं, और इसलिए मैं ये सब सोसाइटी, आपके ये जो सोसाइटी है उसको ज्वाइन करना चाहती हूँ, ताकि उस पर से मेरा लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस और ज़्यादा बढ़े और मैं कुछ करने के लिए और ज़्यादा सक्षम हो जाऊँ।
बच्चे, एक सवाल और है हमारा आपसे कि आपको लिसिस के बारे में कैसे पता चला?
मैम मुझे एक ईमेल आई थी, ईमेल के जरिए मुझे ये पता चला।
ओके बेटा, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैम।
Hello, Muskan.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Tell me something that areas in which you will contribute for the society, and in the present scenario, what do you think? What are the areas in which a society must work to perform well?
एक्चुअली सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है, और मैं जितना जानती हूँ खुद को, मुझे लगता है मैं पोएम्स के जरिए या कविताओं के जरिए मैं एक लॉ की कुछ बातें कुछ सिखा सकती हूँ, और साथ ही मैं आर्टिकल्स भी लिखती हूँ। सो आर्टिकल्स के जरिए मैं कुछ सोसाइटी को मैसेज पहुँचा सकती हूँ, और एक ब्लॉगिंग करने की भी मुझे एक इच्छा है। मैं ब्लॉगर के रूप में भी कुछ दूसरों को अपनी एक्सपीरियंस बताने के लिए मैं चाहती हूँ अपने एक्सपीरियंस बताने के लिए, और इस सोसाइटी से जुड़ के मैं आगे बढ़ना चाहती हूँ, ग्रो करना चाहती हूँ।
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
Okay. Hello, Muskan. Can you hear me?
गुड इवनिंग सर। यस सर।
Very good evening. तुमने अभी बताया कि तुम इस सोसाइटी के साथ जुड़ के आगे बढ़ना चाहती हो। दैट इज वेरी गुड। इस सोसाइटी को डेवलप करने के लिए आगे कुछ तुमने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स या कुछ माइंड में कुछ फ्रेम आउट करके रखा है? कैसे तुम
सर
हेल्प करोगे इसको
जैसे
आगे डेवलप करने में?
सर जैसे मैंने कहा मुझे राइटिंग का शौक है, या राइटिंग में करती हूँ, आर्टिकल्स लिखती हूँ, तो उसमें कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स लिखना चाहती हूँ जिसके जरिए ये सोसाइटी अगर इसे सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो आगे जाके ये औरों तक भी पहुंचेगी। इससे मैं मतलब इससे हो सकता है कि आगे बाकी लोग को नॉलेज हो कि जो मतलब सोसाइटी में चल रहा है, ये प्रेजेंट क्या है क्या नहीं, उसके ऊपर मैं सर्च करके लिखना चाहती हूँ।
अच्छा, आर्टिकल्स लिखने में लॉ में कोई स्पेसिफिक एरिया है तुम्हारा, या किसी भी टॉपिक पर और किसी भी लॉ पर लिख सकते हो?
एक्चुअली सर मैंने सब टॉपिक पे लिखे हैं, लेकिन ज्यादातर मैंने लॉ के ऊपर लिखा है। क्रिमिनल बैकग्राउंड्स को लेके ज्यादा मैं लिखती हूँ।
ओके ओके ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
All right, Muskan.
Yes, sir.
The similar question with you. Would you like to join the society in the present time as an intern, or after the intern when we will provide you a certificate of internship after successful participating in internship? If we would ask you that to be the part of membership for a year, for a 5 year, for a 10 year, then would you also be like to join the society in an unpaid manner?
Yes, sir. मैं करना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि मेरा एम ही है इस तरह के सोसाइटी के जरिए बाकी लोगों की हेल्प करूं या सोसाइटी के कुछ काम आओ। तो मैं चाहूंगी अगर पे ना भी हो फिर भी इस सोसाइटी से ज्वाइन होना चाहूंगी।
All right, thank you, Muskan. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. The person with the ID VJ, may I know the name?
Hello, myself Vaishnavi Joshi.
Okay. Okay, sir, please proceed with the.
वैष्णवी, क्या आप मुझे सुन सकती हैं?
Yes, sir.
वैष्णवी, अपने बारे में बताइए. Describe yourself.
So, my name is Vaishnavi Joshi. I am a third-year law student and I am pursuing BA LLB from Manipal University, Jaipur. As a student, I would like to learn and gain knowledge in various areas. I have been doing research work as I am in third year, so I am good in research work, and I have been part of various internships, and I've learned various things related to law, like drafting, etc.
Okay.
Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
How much do you know about leases?
Ma'am, actually, I don't know that much about leases, but I got to know about leases through my friend, and then I did a little bit of research. So I know that this society is a society that is for welfare of students as well as for government job aspirants, etc.
One more question. If you imagine you are selected in as a research family, so 3 to 6 months after, how could you able to uplift the society?
And I could, what can I do is that nowadays, because of the corona, people, especially students, the education sector is not that much aware of everything. For example, this what I would do is that I can help to teach the school students about the basic rights, about the basic human rights, and they should know about what to do in scenarios related to law.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Hello, Vaishnavi. My question is ki, what is the significance or importance of all the societies which are running nowadays? What do you think? What are the importance or significance of these societies?
These societies are important because nowadays everything is online, and these societies are providing a platform to know and to learn about different things. So it is important for everybody to learn through these societies for the betterment of
Okay, thank you.
All right, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to the answer to the previous answer, you said that you did various sorts of internships and research.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Can you please explain in brief your experience related to that internship or any research?
So actually, I till now I've interned under lawyers only. I haven't worked under any NGO or any kind of society. So I am eager to learn, and I am eager to be part of a society to know how it works, and I want to be a part because I want to do certain things that uplifts the society. So in the past,
I just needed to know a particular work experience that you did.
Okay,
a brief of that.
In my second year, I did an internship in Rajasthan State Legal Service Authority. There, we visited jails, central jails, Mahila Thana, and we learned different process about it. And we visited old age home, mental hospital, and every sort of thing that we learned there is that how they work there. What is the role of the Rajasthan State Legal Service Authority, what they do and what they help in those old age homes and jails, central jails.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Can Radha ma'am, would you like to go next?
No, Paras, no more.
Okay. Vaishnavi.
Yes.
Okay. As you said that you were involved in various state legal service authorities or the other departments as an intern. So
Yes.
there also they just provide a certificate of participation or certificate of internship from an authorized authority. All right. Okay. Okay. But being a member of a NPO society, if we are not going to pay you, then in what sense as an intern or as a member do you want from our side in future?
Never been a part of a welfare society. So my main motive is to learn and gain experience out of it. So I just expect that you should provide me opportunity so that I can, gain experience out of it. I can learn that it will help me in future. That's it.
See, I'm not going to personal to any candidate, but yes, there is a mindset of some of the people, or it's a general mindset. हम नहीं कह रहे हैं कि ये गलत है, but yes, on the other hand, everyone wants to some type of stipend or some type of sort of the things which can solve the monetary problems. So deciding this, क्या आप फिर भी इसके member बनेंगे रहेंगे या फिर as a time कि after 6 months, after 1 year, some sort of change in mind and let's quit and join Kanuniyat or Loctopus or something. That.
No, sir. I will surely want to be a part of this society, and I am not interested in the monetary basis. I would like to get knowledge and experience. So money doesn't matter for me that much.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Muskan. Okay.
The next contestant is Miss Shrishti Singh. Miss Shrishti. Miss Shrishti, are you there?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Srishti. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Srishti, describe yourself.
Sir, myself, Srishti Singh, pursuing BA University, Dehradun. Now I have completed my 4th semester exams. That's it.
Okay, then.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. One question to you. Give
Yes,
brief
ma'am.
information.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Yes, please repeat.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm not audible.
Srishti, sorry for interruption, ma'am. Srishti, if you are having some place where the fan is running, then kindly I request you, please, let's take a gap from that area. All right, ma'am.
Sir, now it's okay.
Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Another, ma'am, please.
Okay, continue. Is she audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue. Tell me something about LISIS.
Ma'am, I don't know much about LSIS, but ma'am, I have know about LIS from my friend. He said that you should join this society so you can get the opportunity. What?
कुछ सोच करके आप LSIS के साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, my main motive is just gain the more knowledge and just spread it to people who they don't know about it.
As a part of society, if you are selected,
yes,
तो फिर आप सोसाइटी के लिए क्या अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दे पाएंगे? क्या सोचा है कुछ ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am, I would like to. Ma'am, I am good in research about. Yes, ma'am. About various law topics and law subjects.
In any field, specialization?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
In any field, in any subject या any particular topic जिस पे आपने अपना रिसर्च कंटिन्यू किया हो या कुछ आपने उस पे प्रैक्टिकल वर्क किया हो, कुछ भी लॉ से रिलेटेड?
Ma'am, I haven't done any practical work, but ma'am, I have do various researches about, ma'am, in criminal laws. Ma'am, like IPC case laws and family.
Studying in 4th semester?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fourth
Oh,
semester.
okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हेलो सृष्टि,
Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि सोसाइटी में काफी सारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं जो यहाँ वर्क करना चाहते हैं, तो
Yes, sir.
आप ऐसा क्या कर सकते हो, क्योंकि आप तो आप एक्सपीरियंस आप गेन करना चाहते हो, चीजों को सीखना चाहते हो, लेकिन आप सोसाइटी के लिए ऐसा क्या करोगे जो बाकी दूसरे और कैंडिडेट से ज्यादा बेहतर कर सकते हो?
So,
मतलब
sir,
व्हाट आर योर पॉजिटिवनेस? हाँ बताइए।
so I can do various researches and also instigate people
ओके,
to join the society and even to gain more knowledge.
विल यू थिंक कि ये इस तरह की जो सोसाइटीज होती हैं ये सोसाइटी में कुछ चेंजेस लाती हैं अपने कामों के थ्रू?
Sir, please repeat.
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि सोसाइटीज जो होती हैं ये अपने वर्क के थ्रू सोसाइटी में कुछ पॉजिटिव चेंजेस लेके आती हैं?
Yes, sir. Sir,
चलो ठीक है, इट्स ओके, थैंक यू।
सृष्टि,
yes,
आवाज सुनाई दे रही है मेरी?
yes, sir.
ओके, तो ये एक वेलफेयर सोसाइटी है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ओवरऑल अगर लार्जर ऑब्जेक्टिव की मैं बात करूं तो वेलफेयर ऑफ द नेशन के लिए आपने क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव अपना डिफाइन करके रखा है जो आप LSIS में आकर के हेल्प आउट करोगे?
Sir, I don't have that much idea, but according to me, people don't have much knowledge about various aspects of laws. Even they don't know about their fundamental rights and even their duties.
Okay.
So basically, I want to. So basically, I want to. Sorry, sir, but.
अच्छा, चलो ठीक है, लीव इट, कोई बात नहीं। अच्छा, इस सोसाइटी को LSIS को डेवलप करने
Sir, I just wanted to say that I just want to gain knowledge because recently I don't have that much idea what will I do. So I just wanted to learn from my seniors and my colleagues whatever they done, and so I can improve my skills in various aspects. So
thank you.
All right, Srishti.
Yes, sir.
I am audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As you said during your first question that you are aware about the society by your friend. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'm not asking about the friend personal detail, but could you please tell me, is your friend, either he or she, is here with the registration of LSIS, or he or she just told you about the LSIS and then go?
Sir, he is not the participant of the society, but I've researched about this LSIS society when he told about this. So I think this society helped me to improve my knowledge and that's it.
ओके ओके ओके, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड। तो क्या वो लॉ से ही थे या वो किसी और
Yes, sir.
बैकग्राउंड से कि वो जुड़ नहीं पाए?
No, sir. No, sir. He is from law. Sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Next, very short question with the similar to everyone. Okay, if we don't pay you in present or in future after the internship, if we ask you about to take a membership, then if we don't pay you, then also would you like to be the part of society?
Yes, sir. I would like to join the society because money doesn't matter as compared to knowledge, according to me.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
Okay.
Miss Aparna, are you there?
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
हेलो अपर्णा।
Sorry, ma'am, you are not audible.
अपर्णा,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या आप लिख पा रहे हैं?
Not properly.
हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, डिस्क्राइब योरसेल्फ।
Okay, sir. Sir, myself Aparna Maheshwari. I belong from Saharanpur, UP. I have done LLB and now pursuing CS final, left with one group. That's it, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Aparna,
Yes, ma'am.
how much do you know about LSIS?
मैम ज्यादा कुछ नहीं पता है। एक्चुअली मैं रैंडमली कोई लॉ की वेबसाइट पे गई थी, वहाँ पे मेरे को LSIS दिखा, वहाँ पे मैंने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया अपना, बस इतना ही पता है मैम।
Okay, as presumption, you are joined and selected as the part of our family. So after 3 to 6 months, how could you able to uplift our society?
सोसाइटी, ओके मैम।
Yeah.
मैम सोसाइटी की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि उनको ना काफी चीजें पता ही नहीं होती है, मतलब जैसे कि होता है कि लोगों से सुना उन्होंने और उसको सच मान लिया, बट जो प्रैक्टिकली चीजें होती हैं, उससे अवेयर करवाना सोसाइटी को, उनके राइट्स बताना, उनकी क्या ड्यूटीज हैं, और मैम स्पिरिचुअलिटी से कनेक्ट करना, जिससे कि वो राइट और रॉन्ग में डिफरेंस कर सकें।
Good, thank you.
हेलो अपर्णा।
Yes, sir.
ओके, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आप में ऐसी क्या क्वालिटीज हैं जो आप सोसाइटी के बेनिफिट के लिए, सोसाइटी के अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए आप उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो?
सर मैं लोगों को कन्विंस कर सकती हूँ। तो जैसे
कुछ और स्किल्स, आपने ऐसी स्किल्स क्या क्या हैं? हाँ बताइए, आप बताइए।
गुड इन कंटेंट राइटिंग, रिसर्च वर्क एंड बस सर।
थैंक यू। सर आई थिंक
ऑलराइट अपर्णा।
यस सर।
आपने अभी बताया कि आप रिसर्च वर्क करते हो और कंटेंट राइटिंग करते हो, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओगे मुझे, जिस पे आपने कुछ काम कर रखा हो अभी तक?
सर एक्चुअली ना मैं कंपनी लॉ से रिलेटेड ही करती हूँ, कंपनी लॉ, क्रिमिनल लॉ। तो जैसे कोई भी टॉपिक मैंने पिक कर लिया, उसके बारे में नेट से सर्च किया, फिर अपना एक आर्टिकल खुद से लिखा।
अच्छा, आपने लिख रखे हैं आर्टिकल्स?
हाँ सर, थोड़े बहुत लिखे हैं।
अच्छा, आपने अपने सीएस के काम में कोई इंटर्नशिप भी करी होगी शायद?
यस सर।
उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता सकते हो?
सर अब ये इंटर्नशिप मैंने स्टार्ट करी थी बट लॉकडाउन की वजह से वो पेंडिंग में है।
अच्छा, तो अभी
Yes,
चल
sir.
रही है वो या खत्म हो गई है?
नहीं सर अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है बट अब स्टार्ट करनी है,
अभी स्टार्ट
रिज्वाइन करना है फिर से। हाँ जी सर।
ठीक है, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Aparna,
Yes sir.
as you said that you are in the middle of some internship, am I right?
Yes sir, yes sir.
ओके तो अगर ये बात वैलिड है या रियल है, ओके वी टेक इट एज अ रियल, ओके कि बच्चे
Yes,
जो
sir.
हैं वो मैक्सिमम जगहों पे इंटर्न रहते हैं, ठीक है, बट हाउ वुड यू डिफरेंशिएट द टाइमिंग बिटवीन आवर वर्क इफ यू गेट सिलेक्टेड एंड द इंटर्नशिप इन विच यू आर ऑलरेडी एनरोल्ड? आप डिफरेंस कैसे निकालेंगे टाइम का अगर आपको यहाँ पे वीकेंड्स पे कुछ वर्क मिल रहा है एज अ इंटर्न और वो आपको 10 दिन में 15 दिन में सबमिट करना है, ऑलराइट, देन आपको कहीं और से भी कुछ वर्क मिल रहा है, देन हाउ?
Sir, I can manage my timings. सर वहाँ पे मेरे को बोलते कि जैसे पार्ट टाइम करना चाहते हो तो आप पार्ट टाइम कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और पार्ट टाइम वर्क और पार्ट टाइम स्टडी। और सर अब मेरा फाइनल का एक ग्रुप रहता है तो अब इतना कोई बर्डन नहीं है मेरे पास, तो मैं दोनों जगह कर सकती हूँ, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
Okay, Aparna, thank you so much.
And thank you all of you. The panel is the members and all the participants, and kindly join the meeting tomorrow so that we can proceed with the interview, and take care of yourself in this pandemic. Thank you.